Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you that I made a Google Maps bot using Octoparse, and also that will scrap all of these columns you can see with different keywords. So we can add in a loop multiple keywords. For example, here I'm using one keyword like coffee shop in San Diego, California. So it will be scraping all of these columns you can see, like phone, full address, etc. So we also would be needing the website, right? So we will get the email off of this website as well. So for that, I also made a Python script that will do just that. It will go and scrap the email out of the websites that we will get. Now I will run the Octopus bot, fast forward this a little bit so I can uh, show you the results. Okay guys, so I have stopped the Octopath script at 10 results, so I can show you now the Python script on how this will run, and out of this 10 website will give us the emails. So I will close this out and I will go ahead and open and run the Python script. So you can see guys that I also got the emails out of these websites. So now you can do this on scale. So for example, we have thousands of multiple thousand rows of data lines. We can get the emails and these data as well. So if you are interested in this Google Maps bot, you can contact me and I'll make sure to connect with you. Thank you for watching.